Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBLI. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 15-minute time slices. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy day. Big volume came in, and the price obviously, had a nice morning. Then kind of volume did drop off afternoon. And then late afternoon here, you can see volume came surging back, and the price really couldn't have closed any more powerfully than it did. So want to map out a couple areas of support, then we'll map out some levels of resistance and see how this one continues to unfold on the week. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be right up there at $4. Now, if the price drops below $4, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that level, that would be, the best sign of power for the bulls. Next level of support, right there at $3.25. So $4, $3.25. Two initial levels of support. I realize there is a pretty big amount of space between these areas of support, but that's the catch-22. When price movements make monster moves like this was, it does tend to create spaces between areas of support, and that's just a basic economic principle, right? There's always going to be a trade-off, and the trade-off with a big, powerful move is, it does create spaces between areas of support. Now, don't get me wrong. The price falls below $4. I'm not saying within 2 seconds it's going to be at $3.25, but that is where the next level of support would be. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, meaning as long as the price stays above that line going forward, keyword they're being moving, so that line's going to continue to move and look something like that. So as long as the price is above that purple line, a very easy way to look at it, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. What about areas of potential resistance? For this, I'm actually going to change time frames and go to the daily. And we're going to have to go back a long time into the chart's history, I'd imagine. There we go. So good problem to have, just because the price has not been up this high for a very long time. So broke above that. Yeah, so shorter term level right there at $5. If the price can push through $5 tomorrow, then next level after 5, right up there about $5.30. So all in all, though, powerful way to start the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.